EcoCert India, a principal name in the field of organic and fair trade certification in the South Asian region, is all set to promote awareness about certified organic milk production among the farmers, milk producers, and agri entrepreneurs with the successful organization of its second convention in Pune on 4th October after the much talked about event in Ahmedabad of 15 November 2009. Organic milk has remained to be an ignored commodity by the farming community so far, Dr. Selvam Daniel, Managing Director of EcoCert India, said on this occasion. On the contrary, the consumer demand for safe and fearless milk is on continuous rise in a country like India, thanks to everyday news reporting revealing out the several scams about the adulterated, contaminated and chemical milk being sold in the name of big domestic milk brands. Every parent is scared of their child's health and safety. As per a nationwide survey conducted by our organization, milk is one of the top 3 preferred commodities by most of the Indians, said Mr. Manoj Kumar, Executive Director, International Competence Center for Organic Agriculture, a Bangalore-based organization. The study of major 8 cities in India reveals that the market for organic milk in these 8 cities is alone worth 1,450 crores. We are trying to bridge this gap by encouraging the farmers, milk brands, cooperatives to enter this market on one side and consumers at the other end.
See, the International Competence Center for Organic Agriculture, which is ICO in short, from the market study and research that we have conducted 2 years back, we have found that milk ranks almost third on the list of priorities, immediately after fruits and vegetables. So when we ask consumers, they are most interested in vegetables, then fruits, and then milk. If you go by that order, then it's a very important product. Now, what kind of market exists? See, our market research estimate shows that just the 8 cities that we surveyed, major cities, the potential market is around 1,450 crores. And the priorities given to milk by the consumers were 11% of the overall market. So in that way, I think the estimate comes to around 160 crores worth of organic milk market that would be existing.
Education is required to be carried out both at the consumers and farmers level. Consumers need to be told that the safe milk that they are looking for is the certified organic milk, and farmers need to be made aware of this demand to be able for them to translate it into the new market opportunity, says Dr. Daniel. Again, there is a small but very serious section of the society who does not consume milk products owing to the issues of animal cruelty, ill treatment with them, etc. The organic rearing of farm animals sincerely addresses these issues with utmost care. The animals, example, are never tied without specific purpose, allowed to express their physiological behavior, fed with chemical-free fodder, are not given hormonal injections, and are reared in a completely stress-free atmosphere, commented Dr. Dhananjay Aghav, Veterinary Inspector of EcoCert India. Where through such conventions we can effectively reach to farmers, producers and trading community, the domestic level exhibitions for organic food and events like Kavita Mukhi's Farmers Market we are utilizing for reaching unto dedicated consumers, make them aware. Invite them to join our Facebook page Going Certifiably Organic for the latest updates on the availability of organic food, especially milk and milk products in their nearby stores, etc., says Amol Nirvan, Business Development Officer, EcoCert India. The event also witnessed an interesting presentation by Dr. Deepa Bhajekar, Managing Director, Microchem Laboratory, Mumbai, on a clean milk production, its necessity, and also the means and tests to ensure the contamination-free milk. A much informative speech was delivered by Dr. Shankar Rao Raut, President, Maharashtra State Organic Farming Policy Committee, on the provisions concerning organic farming and milk production, processing and marketing in the state's policy.
आंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तरावर ज्यावेळेला तुमचा शेतीमाल तयार होणारा जो आहे तो शेतीमाल कुठल्या दर्जाचा आहे याच्याकरता गॅरंटी म्हणून काय आहे. आंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तरावर प्रत्येक देशाने नियम केले आपल्याकडे पण NPOPच्या माध्यमातून काही प्रमाणकं निर्माण झाली आणि त्याचप्रमाणे प्रत्येक देशाने आपली, जपानने केली किंवा अमेरिकेने केली, युरोपियन मार्केटने केली, या लोकांनी जे प्रमाणकं निर्माण केली ती आपल्याला पाळली पाहिजे एक गोष्ट. कारण एखादा पदार्थ किंवा एखादा शेतमाल बाजारामध्ये असताना हा सेंद्रिय कसा, याच्याकरता एकच फक्त आपल्याकडे चेक आहे आणि तो जो आहे, ज्याला आपण नियंत्रक म्हणूया, तो आहे सेंद्रिय प्रमाणीकरण. मग ते सेंद्रिय प्रमाणीकरण हे शेतीसाठी असू शकेल, सेंद्रिय प्रमाणीकरण हे उत्पादित होणाऱ्या मालाकरता किंवा त्यापासून तयार होणाऱ्या प्रक्रियायुक्त पदार्थांकरता देखील असू शकेल. आणि त्याचे जे प्रमाणक आहेत ते प्रमाणक निश्चित केलेले आहेत. आपण ज्या देशाला, एक साधं उदाहरण घ्या ना, आपल्याला जर आंबा हा जर जपानला पाठवायचा असेल तर त्याची प्रमाणकं वेगळी आहेत. आपल्याला आंबा जर अमेरिकेला पाठवायचा असेल तर त्याची प्रमाणकं वेगळी आहेत. तोच आंबा जर सौदी अरेबियाला पाठवायचा असो तर प्रमाणकं वेगळी आहेत. आणि म्हणून आंतरराष्ट्रीय दृष्ट्यावर आपल्याकडे उत्तम उत्पादन आहेत. आज देशाचा, महाराष्ट्राचा, देशाचा गौरव आहे आंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तरावर. परंतु आपण निर्माण केलेल्या पदार्थांचा किंवा शेतीमालाची काय प्रत आहे याच्याकरता खऱ्या अर्थानं प्रमाणीकरण जर नसेल तर कोणी विश्वास का ठेवावा?
The convention was attended by over 30 different farmers from all over the state. This is EcoCert News.